Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. Well, I'm going to be doing a tutorial and I am a huge fan of Harry Potter and I always wanted to do a makeup look, like an eye look inspired by the Harry Potter houses. So today I'm going to be doing the Slytherin house and their colors are green and silver. So if you want to see how it's done, then go ahead and stay tuned. So there you have it, the finished Slytherin look. I love it. I think green and silver is really pretty. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can easily subscribe to my channel and my face pops up. Please don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.